Welcome back, dear students. Today I am going to explain you the process by which image formation takes place. I have told earlier that at least two rays are essential for intersecting each other to get a point image of the object or the light source. What are few situations by which we can select any two of them which can describe or which can be considered to explain the formation of ray diagram? Let us take the first case. When light rays incident parallel to the principal axis, after reflection through the concave mirror, they pass through the principal focus. Means when light rays parallel to the principal axis passes through the principal focus after reflection. Another case in which light rays passing through the principal focus gets reflected along the direction parallel to the principal axis. Means the incident ray passing through the principal focus becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Third situation is when light rays passing through the center of curvature, they get reflected back along the same path. And fourth one, when light passes or incident obliquely at the principal axis just on the pole of the mirror, get reflected back at the same angle of the incidence after reflection. So if we consider any two of the four situations at a time, we can draw a ray diagram. The same cases are followed by the convex mirror also. So now let us come to the formation of image by spherical mirrors. In case of concave mirror, there are 6 standard positions of the object which provide different kinds of image. Means the size of the image are different in all the different situations, all the different positions. Let us see what will be the nature of image formed when objects are kept at different specified positions. First of all, when object is placed, the case first, when object is placed at infinity, When object is placed at infinity, the image formed will be at the principal focus of the concave mirror. See here, case first. When object is at infinity, when object is at infinity, in this image diagram, your ray diagram, you see here, the if object is at infinity, if object is at infinity, the rays coming from the objects are rays coming from the object are considered parallel to the principal axis. So all the rays coming from the infinity are parallel to the principal axis. After reflection through the concave surface, they get converged at the principal focus of the concave mirror. This is the point where the image of the object placed at infinite distance is formed or supposed to be formed here. This is the point size image of the object. So what is the position of the object at infinity? The position of image at principal focus, the size of image highly diminished, means point size, and nature of image real and inverted. In this case, real image is formed, and real image is obtained on the screen, and it is always inverted, that is upside down. Suppose that this is an object, then the image formed on the screen will be inverted like this. So this is called inverted image. Now consider second case. When object is at object is beyond the center of curvature. When object is beyond the center of curvature, the image diagram can be traced out like this. Suppose this is center of curvature, this is principal focus, and the pole mirror is m dash. Now object is placed here, that is beyond the center of curvature. One of the rays taken from the object is object AB from point A parallel to the principal axis, and you have already studied or learned that the rays parallel to the principal axis passes through the principal focus after reflection. Now take another ray passing through the principal focus. It will reflected back parallel to the principal axis. Now these two reflected rays, one this one and another this. So these two reflected rays intersect each other at this point, and this is the image of the object. This is the image of the object. AB is the object, this is image of the object, and the image formed will be at between F and C means focal length and the center of curvature, at between focal length and the center of curvature. So now we can express the features of the image as the following heads, that is position of object beyond the center of curvature, position of object beyond the center of curvature. The position of image will be at this means between F and C means focal length and center of curvature. Size of image will be diminished means a smaller than the size of object, a smaller than the size of object. And nature, that is real and inverted. In this case also the image will be real and inverted. So in both of the cases we have a study, we have already learnt here that nature of image is real and inverted. Now let us come to the third position, means case 3. Case 3, when object is at the center of curvature, when object is at the center of curvature. Position of object at the center of curvature. At the center of curvature. Now in this case the image diagram will be like this. Suppose that this is C, this is F. Now object is at center of curvature. Let us take a ray parallel to the principal axis x dash. So this parallel ray will pass through the principal focus. This parallel ray will pass through the principal focus. Now another ray may be taken from the point A through the principal focus. Now this become parallel to the principal axis and the object intersect each other in this case. So this is AB and A dash B dash. So here AB is the object O dash. Let us consider AO is the incident ray which get reflected through principal focus, and the another ray, incident ray, passing through the principal focus become parallel to each other and intersect at this point. If we draw a perpendicular from the A dash to the principal axis, we will have a image of the object AB, A dash B dash. What is the position of this image here? The image is at the center of curvature here. So image is at the center of curvature. At C. And what is the size of the object? The size of object is equal to the size of object. In this case means when object is at the center of curvature, the image of the object will also be at the center of curvature, and the size of the image will be the same as that of the object. Now let us say the fourth case, when object is between C and F, when object is between C and F.